8340 Mokena. Now, this is a shared driveway. So, of course, we never consider that a plus, but I'm going to contact the HOA and see if we can park 2 cars here because we have all of this space. It's tucked away. So, you have sort of a long driveway that's coming off of a shared driveway. If you can park a car or 2 here, that will make it less of an irritation for me. This beautiful tree. So much detail. The flooring, from what I've seen, is in great condition. This is not texture. I mean, there's the normal texture that you see here. That's here as well, but the rest of it's just the painting style. So we have a little bit of pavers back here, and this is real grass. This is school zone, so it's 25 right behind us. And this goes a long way back. Cute! There's a little animal door. That's the tiniest door I've ever seen. It's like not even a door. It's like someone put a little hole in the wall. So small. It's like rat size. It's so cute. Okay. So... oh, it's a cat. But it doesn't smell. I don't smell cats. Oh, sorry. Crown molding, really. Okay. So we have all these different types of flooring and an automatic door. So tile, laminate, carpet. I probably want all of those to match. Yellow walls, silver cabinets, really high ceilings, very, very high. There's no light in here, but it's a typical white room. The flooring and the paint is in fine condition. There are blinds as well as the drapes. Carpet is in fine condition, no light. Sorry, there's really no point in showing you this room then. But we have a little storage closet here. Decent loft. I love the high ceilings. It really makes it feel so spacious. I think these are Z Gallery. Bluish color. Okay, so that's the house.